Today I'm going to tell you about what type of questions might be asked by the examiner and giving you a sample answer. Generally, problem solution types questions asked by the examiner, and sometimes they will ask you to give the opinion on a specific topic like happiness. It would be last time when I sat for IELTS exam, the examiner asked me the questions associated with happiness, and today I'm going to give you a sample answer on that topic. The question is, do you think advanced technology will make people more happy in the future? Well, to tell you the truth, happiness is the mental condition or psychological condition which doesn't depend on only one thing. Rather, it depends on many things like financial possession, social respect, psychological issues like how you think. But I solely believe advanced technology is one of them. For instance, I have recently observed a lot of people who are staying far away from their family. When they talk to their family member, they look very happy. Especially they talk to their family member using mobile phone or laptop through video conference call, and they look really different and very happy than what they were before. Furthermore, medical technology is the thing which is worth noting, um, being used by the professionals or the doctors to treat a specific disease. And I believe in the future, if a scientist invent much more advanced technology, or I mean medical technology, um, to treat the severe diseases which is really untreatable right now. People will be very happy then to get rid of the difficult or severe diseases.